how you can make $2,000 per day commissions as an affiliate promoting affiliate programs without using ClickBank affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $2,000 per day commissions as a newbie, as a beginner who wants to make, let's say, consistent income online. As you can see over here, I had $1,200 a day, and here $1,300 a day, and over here almost $3,000 a day, right? Every single day with affiliate marketing without using ClickBank. Now, as you can see, right, if you're a beginner, if you want to make money online, you should focus on high-ticket affiliate marketing systems or done-for-you programs. Why? Because you want to utilize what is done for you, and you want to make the most on the front end, right? For example, if you only have, let's say, $1,000 to spend on Google ads or Facebook ads, you want to make the most money on the front end so you can return that investment back, so you can make money back, right? A return on investment or return on ad spent should be the highest, as you can see here on my screen. So you can see over here, right, this is the system that I'm promoting. So the links are below this video. So the system is paying you $2,000 or $2,400 per sale. So basically you're getting 100% commissions sent straight to your Stripe account, your, let's say, wire transfer, your bank account or Bitcoin account. So you can use Bitcoin wallets, you can use PayPal, you can use Stripe, you can use bank accounts, right? Doesn't matter. But the most important thing is you're getting it paid in the same minute, in the same day. This is the most important thing. Why? Because with ClickBank, you know, you can get the refunds, you can get paid late, you can get paid after 3 weeks, 4 weeks, right? It takes some time, it takes a month to get money out of ClickBank, right? And sometimes there are refunds rates, there are chargebacks, so it's not consistent, right? But here you are getting, with no refunds, no chargebacks, instant daily commissions. So as you can see over here, right, on my Instagram, you can reach out to me over here. You see, this is my Instagram account, right? You can see everything over here, right? This is my account. You can reach out to me, you can send me the message, you can DM me, you can ask me basically any questions you want regards online marketing, direct response, affiliate marketing, right? You can ask me any questions if you're serious. Of course, if you have some money to invest and some time on the side to invest, so that we can go step by step together to start generating results with online marketing, or let's say side hustle affiliate marketing online, right? Without using any ClickBank whatsoever, right? So we are using the systems online to get paid huge commissions up front, because as you know, right, let's imagine this: if you make $2,000 per sale, 100% commissions in the same day, right now you need only 4 to 5 sales per month, not per day, not per week, per month, every single 30 days to make 10,000 euros or $10,000 US per month. So imagine this: you don't have to promote any supplements, any crappy shitty offers on ClickBank. You promote one offer, which is done for you system, landing pages, website, solo ads, affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads. All the traffic is done for you. And what you're getting is also my personal support, right? What are my personal bonuses? As you can see on my screen, are bonus buyers clicks. So you're getting 250 clicks sent to your affiliate link. Let's imagine out of 250 people who click on your affiliate link, one person buys. You make your money back plus profit. Another thing is done for you email module templates. You're getting your email solo ads, email marketing templates, which are done for you, and also organic free social media formula. So you can use all these strategies combined together to start generating huge results as an affiliate, as someone who is a beginner in 2022, step by step with affiliate marketing. So it works really well if you are a beginner, if you want to get these $10,000 per month results. Because why? Because if you're a beginner, if you're watching this video right now and listening to my voice, you will quickly begin to realize that you can generate huge results if you have someone to guide you through step by step every single step of the way. So again, if you want to get the results, click the link below this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and reach out to me on Facebook, WhatsApp, email, or Instagram to get results today, so that you can get started properly with affiliate marketing with someone who can guide you through step by step every step of the way. Again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.